Traders are answering your questions now. First up, Joe from Neil in New Jersey. Microsoft or Apple as long-term holds?
Microsoft. We played this game in 2015. You asked me at the time. I remember it. It was Apple, Facebook, or Microsoft. I said Microsoft. I remain with Microsoft. I think at some point, investors in Apple are going to have to digest hardware being bundled into a subscription service with the software side, and Apple is going to, at that point, experience a little bit of a pullback.
I had you pegged for both. I'm glad you made a choice.
Did I tell you both in 15 when I said Microsoft?
I don't remember.
Aren't you paying for your iPhone as a subscription via your carrier?
At some point, yes.
Is it most of the U.S. population now?
What about hardware, though? What about these?
That is hardware. Like, I don't hand them $1,200 for this. I pay $36 a month or whatever.
But that's not
watch.
It's all of it in one full model. Okay, to your point, that's exactly where I think the Apple customer wants to be, where in the mail, you just basically get this every 2 years.
Yeah, I don't even want to go to the store anymore.
Right, and I think that's exactly where Apple goes.
Okay, next, Jimmy from Paul in Alabama. Procter & Gamble.
Yeah, this is a pretty simple one. I think you hold this at least till year end. Look, we talked about tax loss selling or the absence of that earlier in the show, and that's going to be writ large here. Nobody's going to want to sell this in year end.
Wait a minute.
Too many gains.
Wait a minute. At least till year end? I mean, what do you tell him? Are you telling Paul in Alabama? Paul's trying to get over the Tua surgery this morning. Now you're telling him he should sell the stock at the end of the year?
Thank you for that setup, because the next part of what I was going to say is when you get into 2020, Scott, you have a stock that's selling at a PEG ratio of 3. So it's 23 times earnings. What you're getting for those 23 times forward earnings is about 8 to 10% growth rate. That doesn't thrill me, so I'd look in 2020 to sell it.
Okay, good stuff. Thank you.
All right, good.
Josh wants to know about 2020.
I'm sorry about Tua.
We're running out
I didn't do it.
Okay.
It's an hour show, guys.
All right. David in Texas for Josh. Slack.
Yeah.
Give me an update on Slack.
No update. Long the stock. They disappointed Wall Street's expectations. Still had an incredible quarter. This is one of 100 stocks that have had a crazy reckoning. It doesn't really affect me because I'm long-term in this.
Okay.
It was never a trade.
All right. Shannon from Sean in Hong Kong. Home Depot, do you buy it into earnings?
I would buy it. Most defensible brick and mortar in the U.S. market right now.
Okay. Weiss, lastly to you from Gary in California. Why is Amazon still lagging the market heading into the holiday season?
Because it's been in the headlines virtually every day, not in a positive way, and they lost the web contract to Microsoft.